To our top story tonight at 6, attorney Erikka Williams is challenging Houston County District Attorney George Hartwig in this year's election. Williams currently works for Hartwig as the chief assistant, and she says the county needs a change. Meanwhile, Hartwig says he is the best choice. 41 NBC's Jatrissa Wooten spoke with both candidates and has more.
It's been an honor and a privilege to serve as the DA of this county for the last 10 years, and I think the voters are going to make the right choice, and I look forward to serving as the DA of this county for another 4 years.
Houston County's current district attorney George Hartwig says this is his county and he's not ready to leave. Challenger Erikka Williams says Hartwig isn't the same guy citizens voted for 10 years ago. She says the current status of the DA office is lacking structure, which she can provide.
I am the right combination of someone that cares about what goes on in this county. I'm tough but fair in core.
Hartwig disagrees.
I believe I'm tough on crime, and I don't think she's going to be.
Hartwig says as DA, he has kept all his promises, such as prosecuting serious violent criminals and keeping the community safe. There hasn't been a large increase in murders compared to Bibb County, and Hartwig says his experience gives him an edge.
I was a police officer in Broward County, Florida. I came to Georgia to go to law school at Mercer and ended up being in private practice. I did civil law for about 10 years in Macon.
Williams says she too has years of experience. She's worked in the Houston County DA's office for 18 years. The mother of two says she started in juvenile court, worked her way up to felony case prosecutions, then to chief assistant. She says she handles all kinds of cases, including violent felonies.
I've been awarded for my community service by the State Bar of Georgia. I even had a resolution in my name at the state legislature for my work on elder abuse cases.
Both Williams and Hartwig say Houston County is great, but there are issues that need to be addressed. According to Williams, property crimes, the increase of violent crimes such as shootings, and office structure are issues she's hoping to solve.
What I would like to do is see us take control of the part of the backlog that we can control. And we do that by looking at some of these cases and determining which ones we can resolve with alternatives to prosecutions, whether they be pretrial diversions or other types of programming. Those
types of things there's a place for them, and we have that now. But when you start talking about expanding and having more diversion programs, that's basically going soft on crime.
Hartwig says his office priorities are tackling backlogs of work created by the pandemic and addressing an increase in gang activity across Middle Georgia.
I've been involved with GBI, with our legislature, and will continue to aggressively combat gang crimes here in Houston County.
If Hartwig, a Republican, wins, he will be the district attorney for Houston County for an additional 4 years, serving his third term. If Williams, a Democrat, wins, she'll be the first black woman to hold district attorney for Houston County.
I have had lots of, people will say, well, they're not going to vote for me just because of my party. But on the flip side, I have had even more people to tell me that because of what is going on in this office, they are crossing party lines.
In Perry, Jatrissa Wooten, 41 NBC News.
Well, Election Day is less than 2 weeks away on November 3rd.